Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Catherine. Today we're going to be playing She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain. We just need 3 chords, C, F, and G. Let's dive in. Ukulele Wine Time. All right, so in this kids song today, so this is part of my Easy Kids Song series. I've put together a playlist for you of songs just like this one, great for beginners on ukulele, or maybe you want to play music with and for your kids, or maybe you're trying to sing and play and strum along on your ukulele. Either way, this is a great playlist for you. I also have a PDF book linked below with chord sheets, chord diagrams, some strumming tips. It's a whole package. It's really cool, so check that out. I've got the lyrics bolded too, which makes it really easy to see the chords and play along. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to line up the chords with the lyrics. We'll go nice and slow there. Then we're going to count so you get a better idea of where those chords line up. Then we're going to strum. So I'm going to give you a very basic beginner strumming pattern, and I'll show you how to level it up. We'll talk starting pitch, and then we'll do the whole song together. So let's get started with lining up our chords and lyrics. So we're starting with a C chord, and our next chord is a G chord. So on our this is like the chorus. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. So we'll call that our chorus, and then it has all the different variations, right? So on this chorus, every time you have the word coming or comes, that's where you play the chord. So pretty cool to line up. That works out perfectly for us for lining up the chords. So the first line is a C chord on the word coming. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. And on that second word comes, you stay on C. Second line, same thing, except we'll switch to G at the end. She'll be coming round the mountain when she, here comes our G chord, comes. Back to C now. She'll be coming round the mountain. Here's our F chord. She'll be coming round the mountain. Back to C. She'll be, G. I'm sorry. We go to G next. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. By the way, if you need a slow walkthrough of how to play these chords, check out this video. I show you where to put your fingers, how to play these chords. We talk finger numbers, where to put, which strings you're pushing down. So definitely check out that video if you need a review. Let's do that one more time, a little faster. 1, 2, 3. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. Here's our G chord when she comes. Back to C. She'll be coming round the mountain. F now. She'll be coming round the mountain. G next. She'll be coming round the mountain. Back to C. Okay, and that's the whole song. And the chords stay the same for all the following verses. We're gonna count that next. So that's really helpful. It can be super, super useful, especially if you're wanting to be a more confident musician, to learn how to count the chords as well. So again, I'm just gonna do a simple downstroke, and we'll find our heartbeat of the music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. She'll be C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3. Back to C, 2, 3. Now to F, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is the same for every verse. Okay, we've counted. Let's talk about how to level up your strumming pattern now. So we were just doing downstrokes, right? So that's actually a whole note, so holding the chord for 4 beats. Now, if you want to level that up, add a little more rhythm, you can do 4 downstrokes. So this is going to be on our heartbeat or the pulse or the beat of the song on all 4 beats. So this is what it's going to sound like. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes, 2, 3. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Okay, so that is our second strumming pattern to level it up. Really feel the heartbeat of the song there. And you could play that with your thumb. You can just stay on your thumb, or you may have noticed I just switched to my pointer finger here. I'm just lightly brushing the strings there. So try those out, see which one feels more comfortable to you. Okay, from there, we're gonna level up our strumming pattern. By the way, I'm getting thirsty. I'm gonna take a little sip of wine. This is, after all, ukulele wine time. If you're new here, cheers, welcome. My name is Catherine. I teach beginner ukulele and we drink wine if you want while we're doing it. So cheers. I am very happy that you're here. Okay, where were we? We're talking strumming level up for She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain. Let me slow down a little bit. So this is a great basic strumming pattern on the ukulele. Maybe you've seen this, maybe you've played this. We're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I'm gonna slow down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So if you wanna jump in and try that with me just on C, down, down, up, down, down. Here we go. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. All right, that's our level up, and you can eventually take that a lot faster. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming. So if you really want to have a lot of fun with that and bring up the tempo, play it a little faster, that's where you could go with this song. So super fun. Okay, we've got our starting pitch next. So I'm going to talk about if you're singing the song, how to find that first starting pitch. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, I hope that you cheers the like button below, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time, more songs like this, great resources for ukulele beginners. So cheers. All right, let's talk starting pitch. So we're in the key of C, so it goes along with our C chord. So this second string down from your face is C. So that's our do or our 1, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, and we start on so. Below that, she'll be coming. So, la, do, or 5, 6, 1. So if you want to find that first pitch, it's actually G, G, A, C, G, A, C. But since the ukulele, this is your high string, you'll be singing that an octave lower. Hopefully that makes sense. But if you can't find that octave below, just know that when you sing the word coming, that's a C. So you're singing that open string. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Okay, so there's our starting pitch. Y'all, I think we're ready to do the whole song. Should we try it? Let's do it. Let's do all 4 verses. I will level up the strumming pattern. So I'll start with the basic one, then I'll level it up to 4 downstrokes, and then the last 2, I'll take it out with our down, down, up, down, strumming pattern. And when you play this song at home, obviously you can mix it up, mix and match, do what feels good to you, and you can add the additional chorus. Like, of course, you can play whichever combination of words you would like to play. Okay, so here's our starting pitch. She'll be coming. We're gonna do downstrokes. 1, 2, 1, 2. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Here we go. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses. She'll be riding 6 white horses. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. Here we go. And we'll all go out and greet her when she comes. And we'll all go out and greet her when she comes. And we'll all go out and greet her. Yeah, we'll all go out and greet her. Yeah, we'll all go out and greet her when she comes. Let's speed it up. And we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes. And we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes. And we'll all have chicken and dumplings. Yeah, we'll all have chicken and dumplings. Yeah, we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes. Woo! Okay, maybe that last verse is a stretch goal for you. Speed up the tempo there, but that was really fun. I had to do it. And if you want to end the song, you can do C, G, C for a nice final ending sound. Oh my gosh, great work. I hope you had so much fun learning. She'll be coming around the mountain with me. Again, check out that PDF book below. Check out this playlist for more songs just like this one. Tons of beginner songs with just C and G or C, F, and G. And I will see you very soon. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.